Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Fanatical Side Rider. Listen, I'm just going out for a quick ride. I don't have a lot of time because it's going to be dark soon. So yeah, it's like 10 to 4, so it should be dark within a half an hour, maybe an hour. So what I'm doing is, today I was out for a drive with my wife and I found a road that said unapproved road, use at own risk. And there's not too many trails I haven't seen around here, and that is one that I haven't seen, so I want to go check it out. That was earlier today. I thought, well, I'll wait till somebody's with me and I'll go check it out one day. But you know what? It was eating at me. So I'm going to drive over there and we're going to go check it out, see where it goes, see if we could even make it up that trail, because it looked like it had some tire ruts and maybe soft water. Maybe it could be soft in there. It's been cold last couple days, but up until now it's been mild. So we'll see if there's any, if we can make it up. Hopefully we don't get stuck because it's so close to dark, and we'll be stuck out here. But I got my winch, so maybe we'll be all right. So let's go check it out. Here's the sign, guys. This road is not maintained by the township. Use at your own risk. I can't believe I've never seen this trail before. There's a farm right here to the right, but that should have nothing to do with them. I'm just going to head straight up. I got a feeling it goes all the way to that road that I just crossed. I don't think I had it on video, but I got a feeling it goes up there. Well, we'll try it out. It looks pretty tight. Could be trees laying across or anything, so we might have to come back. Hopefully we can see what's up there. this is turning out to be a nice trail. I'm pretty happy with this. There's a couple offshoots here. I can see one ahead of me goes to the west, probably to somebody's farm, but yeah, this trail's nice. I'm glad I found this, and it's not private land, right? So we'll keep continuing on ahead and see where it ends up. Well, that was pretty cool trail I went on there, I discovered, so I can't wait to take the guys down there. Just adds a little bit more to the ride, right? I decided, I'm on my way back home, I decided to take this trail here I've been on this trail before, you've seen it in videos, but I'm cutting through and I'm going to head into town. I want to spray a little bit of mud off my cforce, and I might go over to Tim Hortons and grab a coffee to warm up a little bit. So cforce is sitting back there in the dark. It is getting dark though, so that's why I'm heading into town.